Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the wireless card, unlatch the monitor stand to remove it. Unlatch and slide the back cover off the system. Identify the system board shield and remove the 6 screws. Lift the shield out of the system. Find the wireless card and remove the screw securing it. Unlatch and disconnect the cables to remove the card from the system. To reinstall the wireless card, place it back in the system and reconnect the cables. Relatch and tighten the screw to secure it. Place the system board shield back in the system and install the 6 screws. Slide the back cover on the system and relatch the monitor stand. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.